Παστίτσιο μόνο, έτσι γίνεται. Κοίτα εδώ στρώσεις. Θεϊκό. Το καλύτερο που έχω φάει στη Νέα Υόρκη.
Μουσακάς φίλε, αυτό είναι...
Τίποτα καλύτερο από το ελληνικό παστίτσιο. Ζυμαρικό, κιμάς, μπεσαμέλ, όνειρο. Απίστευτο. Αυτό είναι η νίκη στο πιάτο. Τι tal, Bobo.
What's up, my empire builders? It's your boy Napoleon. Just landed in Egypt, and guess what? Easiest takeover of my life. Look at this place. Straight up ancient aesthetic. All right, guys, let's go interview some of the locals.
You burned my house down like 2 hours ago.
2025. They'll be talking about this invasion like it's a historical event or something. Catch you guys in the next episode.
So you keep coming over here posting me and all this sort of stuff. That's why we done. Like, we done for good.
All right, we could be done because you over here hurting me. I just couldn't take this anymore, so I'm glad that it's over.